In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit views in Zendesk. Whether you're looking to customize your workspace to better suit your needs or streamline your ticket management process, editing views is an essential skill for any Zendesk user. Let's dive right in and walk through this process together. First things first, let's navigate to where our views are housed. Direct your attention to the sidebar on your Zendesk interface and find the Views icon. This little icon is your gateway to managing and organizing tickets more efficiently. Once you've located it, click on it to open up the list of views. Now that you have your list of views in front of you, it's time to locate the specific view you'd like to modify. Browse through this list until you find the view you want to edit. Go ahead and open it. This will bring up your selected ticket list pane, displaying all the relevant tickets associated with this particular view. At the top right corner of the ticket list pane, you'll see a settings drop-down, indicated by an icon. Click on this to access a selection of options. From this drop-down menu, choose the Edit View option. This action will open up the settings panel where you'll be able to customize the view according to your needs. Once you're in the Edit View settings, you'll find several key areas you can adjust. Start by looking at the title and description fields. If you think a clearer title or a more detailed description would benefit you or your team, here's your chance to make those changes. Next, move on to the Conditions section, where you can refine which tickets appear in your view. You'll see options to define conditions based on all or any filters. This flexibility can really help narrow down your ticket list to only the most relevant entries, cutting through the clutter and honing in on what's important to you at the moment. Following that, take a look at columns, group by, and sort order settings. This is where the true personalization of your view comes into play. Choosing the right columns to display can provide quick access to pertinent ticket information. Additionally, grouping and sorting options allow for a more structured and efficient way to process and address tickets. Lastly, there's the Access setting. Consider who needs visibility or editing capabilities for this view. You can keep it personal, share it with your group, or make it available to all agents on your team. Once you're satisfied with your adjustments, don't forget the final step. Click Save. This action ensures that all your hard work doesn't go to waste. Remember to refresh your Views page so all the updated changes are reflected immediately. With these customized views, you're well on your way to enhancing productivity and organization within your Zendesk workspace. Remember that taking the time to tailor your tools can make a big difference in day-to-day operations. Happy editing, and see you in the next video.